You must define the biography of your site. In other words, you need to define your blog. Tell people what your blog is about and why you create it. And you should tell them how your blog can help them. You should always keep in mind that people read blogs to gain knowledge and to entertain themselves. What many bloggers do is talk about themselves, and the reality is that their readers are interested in learning how their site will benefit them. Once they understand this, they will become part of your customers, prospects, and followers. Before you start writing your personal biography, you must answer the following questions. Why should someone read my blog? What will visitors get from my post? Are they going to get inspiration? Business advice? Tell them what they're going to expect from your blog. What kind of post will I write? What does my blog have credibility? You can answer these questions by saying where your content has been shared, saying the years of experience you have in the niche, how did your site start. Here you can tell if you were inspired by some events occurring in your life when the passion of your niche began. In this part, you can tell them a story.